call this? Or this? What's the effect in there? What's that effect? Today we're going over one of the most underrated effects in Davinci and all other video editing softwares. This is motion blur. This can essentially bring your video from a 3 out of 10 to a solid 7 or 8 out of 10. And I'm gonna teach you, it's simple, it's easy. We're gonna do it in 1, 2, 3. All right, so now that we're in Davinci, I have this clip of the planet Earth just zooming through a lens and lighting up in the background. So what we're gonna be doing today is very simple to show off motion blur, but there's well beyond what you can do in this video for motion blur. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click and jump into the Fusion page, and we're going to attach a transform node here by hitting shift space transform. And now we just need to create some animation because the motion blur is not going to work unless you have some sort of animation on here. So what we're going to do is two things. First off, we will come to about frame 10. And now we're going to set a keyframe on size, come back to the first frame, set a keyframe on size. I'm going to crank this up all the way so that way you can really see the motion blur, but you guys definitely don't have to do that unless you want to. We're going to come up to around frame 30, and I'm just going to keyframe the center value. We're going to go 20 frames this time, and I'm going to make it so that way the edges of the canvas, I'm going to make it so it wraps. And you'll see why we're doing that in a sec. So now I'm just going to keep spinning the center value. Now we're going to get something like this. We're going to make this a little bit better. So I'm going to come into this spline tab. I'm going to hit Control A on my keyboard. I'm going to hit S, and I'm going to smooth everything out. Nobody likes linear keyframes. They're garbage. So now check this out. It's a little bit smoother, but we're missing something. There's no extra dramatic feel like you might want to have in some of your videos. So this is a super simple effect. It is motion blur. So jump into your transform again, hit the settings tab, and click on motion blur. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna crank this bad boy all the way up. You can even go further and hit up on your keyboard and select it, but 10 and 360 works awesome. So now check this out. There's going to be a huge difference in the clip. You see that? You see that? You see how nice that looks? It's the power of motion blur, folks. Motion blur. And that is just scratching the surface with motion blur. There is so much more stuff that you can do with this effect. It is so cool. If you got some value out of this video, don't forget to slap that like button and slap that subscribe button so I can continue feeding my family ramen noodles. And I'll see you guys in the next video on Davinci Resolve. I'll see you guys later. Bye.